See here. Exercise 3.4. We should do it by elimination method. Which method? Elimination. Actually, I have done this question all before also. But see again. Correct. Elimination means we should cancel anyone, either x or y. Either x or y. So what I told, coefficient of, like if we want to cancel the y term, like which term we want to cancel, either x or y. If we want to cancel y term, y coefficient multiply here, and this one y coefficient multiply here, right? Yes na? So after that what we get answer? 3x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now see, this two get cancel, plus minus cancel, right? Now what become? 5x is equal to 9. 5x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 by 5. Getting? X is equal to 9 by 5. Achha. If x is equal to 9 by 5, put this x value. Correct? Means 9 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 9 by 5. So 25 minus 9. Right? By 5. How much become? 25 minus 9, 6 by 5. 25 minus 9, how much?
25 minus 6.
6 or 16?
Sir, 5 3s are 15.
This one 15, right? So 15 plus 4, how much?
19.
So 19 by 5, 19 by 5, x is equal to 19 by 5. So minus 19, minus 19. So plus 6 by 5, right? Yes, na? So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This one do. See, in this one you can multiply by 2. Yes or no? So this 2 to become 4. So first one is what? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus, sorry, minus, right?
Minus 4y is equal to 4.
Now again get cancel. So 3 plus 4, 7x. 7x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7 is 2. Correct now? If x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Put this 2 here. Put this 2 here. What become? 2 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 2. So minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. So minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Y is equal to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, this one rearrange first. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 and 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Yes, na? Just rearranged. Now we should cancel this y. So here multiply by 2, here multiply by 5. So 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. Right? Now 9 5 ja 45x minus 10y is equal to 35. Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see, both is having same sign only.
Cancel, sir.
We can't cancel. Minus 10 and minus 10 is minus 20. So we should change the sign here. So here is the plus. So this plus I am converting to minus. This minus plus. This plus minus. Correct? Now this sign get cancel. This 10 10 get cancel. What become? Minus of 39. Minus of
39.
x is equal to plus 8 minus 35. Plus 8 minus 35. How much? 8 minus 5? 8 minus 5 or 5 minus 8?
5 minus 8.
Actually 15 minus 8. 15 minus
8.
how much?
17.
15 minus 8, man. Do it.
So 7 I.
8, sir.
7
अरे 8 7 15 गधा 7 and this is 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, so minus minus get cancel. Minus minus got
Cancel.
cancel. So x is equal to 27 by
9.
39. 27 by
39.
everything correct or not? Next, you have the solution, right? So y is equal to how much? Say y is equal to how much? In which one you want to put? First one or second one? Second one is big. Put in first one.
Yes, sir.
So 3 into 27 by 39 minus 5y is equal to 4, right? Here we can cancel 13 3 jar, yes na? And bring this one this side. Minus 5y is equal to 4, and this side plus 27 by 13. So this side minus 27 by 13. Take LCM. 13 4 ja 52 minus 27. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now 5, right? Minus 5y is equal to 12 minus 7, how much? 12 minus 7. After writing also somebody says something 5.
5.
This which kind of people you are? 4 minus 2 is
2.
y is equal to minus 5 by
13.
13. Correct?
Sir, x minus is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, sir.
See, for this kind of question, first is to take a LCM, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So take LCM. LCM is how much? 6. LCM is
6.
so 2 3 ja 6. 3x plus 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6 2 2 ja 4y is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. Question is correct or not? Check once. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1, and there x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Okay,
Correct, sir.
so 3x plus 4y, this 6 this side, so minus 6. Getting? Now this one, LCM is 3. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. Here you get equation 1, equation 2. In all you can mark like equation 1 and equation 2. Getting? Now write it at one place. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. See, here we can see x term is same. X term is same, but both are plus. Both are plus. So just change the sign. Minus, plus, minus. Correct na? So this become 5y. Because this minus get cancelled, right? 5y. So 9 6. 9 plus 6. 15. What people know, man? So y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. If y is equal to minus 3, put this value here. 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 3x is equal to minus 6. This side minus 12, this side plus 12. So 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. All four done? See next. Next question number 2. Exercise 3.4. Question number 2. In that 2 also question number 1. Question number 1 saying, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it's become 1 by 2. If we add 1 to the numerator. Understood anything? Nothing. Okay, see. So numerator and denominator. Up one is called numerator, down one is called denominator. Till here, okay? Yes or no? Saying, if we add 1 to the numerator, if we add 1 to the So let the fraction be x and y. Let fraction
The x and y.
x by y. Yes na? Now saying add 1 to the numerator. Added 1 to the numerator. True or not? Next saying and subtract 1 from the denominator. So denominator subtracted 1. What they are saying, that only we are doing, right? Added 1 to the numerator, subtracted 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduced to 1. A fraction reduced to 1 means this become equal to 1. Clear? Okay? Yes or no? Achha, next full stop, then saying it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes means fraction is becoming 1 by 2. Fraction means x by y. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. If we only add, so denominator is this plus 1. Yes or no? If we only add 1 to denominator, fraction become 1 by 2. Yes or no? So both equation we have get. Both equation we have got, right now. So just we should simplify. How? Bring this term this side. See, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. This one is multiplied. Means x, bring this one, x minus y is equal to minus 1. This also this side minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1. At this side plus 1. This side minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This side plus y. This side minus y.
Minus 5.
True?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now this one, x is equal to y plus 1. Just to do the cross multiply. So here 2x. Yes or no? Bring this y this side. So 2x minus is equal to plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to plus 1. Now assume this is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. Just write here. 2x minus, sorry, first one is right.
Yes, sir.
X minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. Correct na? See, both y is same. Y is same. Change the sign. Minus plus minus. Right na? This get cancelled. So plus x minus 2x. Plus x minus 2x. How much? Minus of x. Minus of minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3. Both side minus we can cancel. X is equal to 3. X is equal to, acha, if you get x is equal to 3, put x is equal to 3 here. X is equal to, so 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, right? So minus y is equal to minus 5. Yes or no? I am doing now, next question I will do directly. This side minus, this side plus 3, this side minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Correct? Minus minus get cancel. Y is equal to 5. So what was our fraction?
Y is equal to 5.
What was our fraction? X by y. Fraction was? So our fraction is x by y. X is equal to by 5. So this is your answer. Understood? See, question number 2. Question number 2. Saying 5 years ago Noori was 3 times old as Sonu. Full stop. That 10 years later Noori will be twice old as Sonu. Twice old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? Understood anything? Understood? Do it then. Chalo say. 2 person name is there. Noori and Sonu. Noori and assume Noori X, Sonu Y. Correct na? Age. Which age? Present age. We are assuming present age. We should write late also. Let present age of whom? Noori. bx, b year, bx, everything is x only. See, x, who is our god?
X.
See, all know how nicely. So let the present age of Nuri be x year and present age of what the name?
Sono.
B.
5.
Sonu is very nice name, right? Anybody watch Ravish Kumar or not here? Ravish Kumar, NDTV. Very nice read. बबलू 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 बबलू. देखो भाग गया है बबलू. Nobody seen? Search Ravish Kumar Bablu Bablu. You will get very nice. So let present age of Nuri be x and Sonu be y. अच्छा, question is saying 5 year ago. 5 year ago. 5 year ago. Nuri age. I'm just writing n. Nuri age how much? 5 year ago means x minus 5. Sonu age how much? Whatever is that one minus 5, because 5 year before saying, right, was 3 times. Was 3 Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri was thrice old. Nuri was means x minus 5 is equal to y minus 5 into 3. Yes or no? Nuri, this is the Nuri age, this is the Sonu age. Nuri was thrice old, so in this one we have multiplied. Yes or no? Means if he is 3, he is 12 or 9, right? Yes or no? Achha, so here we get one equation. Achha, next is saying 10 year later. 10 year later. 10 year later. Nuri age how much?
X plus 10.
X plus 10. This one also?
X plus 10.
Y plus 10. Yes or no? And saying who was twice? Nuri will be twice old as. Nuri will be twice. So in which one age you should multiply by 2? S or N?
N. Yes, sir.
Who was twice?
N, sir.
N is twice. N is Nuri is twice. Right. So in the Sonu age will multiply by 2. So x plus 10 is equal to y plus 10 into 2. Yes or no? So we get two equation. Here is one equation. Here is one equation. Yes or no? So here what become? X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. 3y minus 15 means x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. True? Yes or no? This 3y bring this side, so minus x, minus 3. Correct? Minus 5 plus 5. Every question has to say this only to you people. Dhanyo Prabhu. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. X minus 2y is equal to plus 10. Here we get equation number 2. Now you simplify this. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to plus 10. Right? X is the same only. So here minus plus minus. Cancel? Sorry. X is cancel, not this one, right? So this become, see, plus 3y, sorry, minus 3y plus 2y. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus x is equal to minus
20.
20.
X is equal.
Not x, y na man.
Yes, sir. Y.
Y is equal to
20.
20. Achha, if y is equal to 20, y is equal to 20, where is the equation here? Y is equal to
20.
So 22 ja 40. 22 ja
40.
this side minus 40. See very carefully. Minus 40 minus this side plus 40. So plus 40 plus 10 plus 50. So x is equal to,
Plus 50.
so this much year, this much year. So Nuri age was 50 and Sonu age was 20. Understood? Then see next. Question number 2 and that one 3. Is coming clear? Is it bright? Okay, next. Question number 3 is saying sum of digits of 2-digit number. Sum of digits of 2-digit number. Acha, sum of digits means what?
Any number.
Sum of digits means what? See,
Which number?
try to understand. Like, say any number, any 2-digit number.
12.
Okay, 12. Any 2-digit number is
12.
12. Till it is visible, right? Okay. So 12. How this 12 is made? How this 12 is made? Think. Or take here something 2, 22 or 23. 23. How this 23 made? 2 into 10 plus 3. Yes or no? In the childhood you learned this is 2 into 10 plus 3. Acha. So this is one number. This is one number 23, and 23 is made by 2 into 10 plus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. In the 23, this 2 and 3 are 2 digits. Are 2 digits. Are 2 digits. In that 3 is at the first place and 2 is at the second place or 10th place. 10th place only we say generally. Yes or no? Again I am saying 23 is a number. 23 is a
Number.
that is made by 2 into 10 plus 3. Correct. In that 3 is at the first place and 2 is at the 10th place. Right. If I write a number like 46, how it is made? 4 into 10 plus 6. 4 into 10 plus 6. Now this 6 is at the first place and 4 is at the 10th place. Yes or no? Now question is saying sum of its digit. Sum of its digit means 4 and 6. Digit means 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
Means saying 4 plus 6 is given equal to 9. Correct. Actually here it is 10. 4 plus 6 is given
10.
correct. So we will assume let first place number is x. First place digit. We are assuming digit, not number. First place digit be x. Yes or no? And the tens place digit be y. Yes na? First place digit we assumed x, tens place digit we assumed y. Now the question is saying first sum of the digits, sum of the is given equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to given 9. Yes or no? They have just told sum of their digits
Yes, sir.
is equal to 9.
9.
Clear? Okay? Yes or no? Assume this is question number 1. Achha, next is saying where the question went. Also 9 times this number. 9 times this number. So what is the number? What is the number? Digit is x and y. Digit is 2 and 3. Digit is 2 and
3.
then what is the number? Number is 23.
3.
Yes or no? And how that is made? 2 into 10 plus 3. Correct? How the number made? Whatever number in the tens place is y
Yes, sir.
into 10 plus x. Like this only number we form na? Tens place into 10 plus first place. Correct? This one is saying also 9 times this number. 9 times this. So our number is this. Number is equal to 10y plus x. Number is equal to 10y plus x. Now saying 9 times of this number. 9 times of this number. So 10y plus x. True?
Yes, sir.
Whatever number is there in that one I multiplied by 9. 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. What saying?
Order.
Order of
Twice.
Twice.
What saying? Twice. And just saying to reverse the order. Reverse the
Order.
reversing the order means if this number is 23, I reversed the digit.
yes, sir.
This was first tens place, now become first place, and this become tens place. Now number will be what? 3 into 10 plus 2. 3 into 10 plus 2. So this was at the tens place, I am bringing at y place. Sorry, first place.
First place.
First place means plus y, and in the tens place you should multiply by 10. So 10x into 10. Getting? After reversing, what you will get?
Sir.
First it was x place, first place. This was tens place. Now this is at the first place, this is at the tens place. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now just simplify. So here 90y plus 9x is equal to, this is 20x plus 2y. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
10 to the 20 plus 2y, 10 9 is 90 plus 9x. Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now just simplify it. 9x minus 20x plus 90y minus 2y is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how much become? Minus of 11x plus of 88y is equal to 0. Yes or no? 20 minus 9 is 11. 90 minus 2 is 88. Both are multiple of 11. So I can take 11 out. Minus 11 out. So x minus 8y is equal to 0. 11 also we can take this side. So no need to write only. Yes or no? So just x minus 8y is equal to 0. This become equation number 2. Now use this from 1 and 2. So x plus y is equal to 9. X minus 8y is equal to 0. X is same. X is same. Acha. So change the sign, minus plus minus. Cancel. 9y is equal to 9y is equal to 1.
1.
Y is equal to
1.
if you put y is equal to 1 here, y is equal to 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So x is equal to
8.
8. So what is our number? What is our number? X is at first place.
Yes, sir.
X is at
First place.
so first place, and y is at tens place. So number is
10.
18.
18. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If copied, see question number next. Question number 2, 4.
2.
Right? Question is saying Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000.
2000.
Withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the carrier to give her rupees 50 and 100 note only. Correct? 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes. Meena got 25 notes. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Correct? So let rupees 50 notes be x and rupees 100 notes be
Y.
y. I am talking number of notes. I am talking number of notes, or you can write let number of. Correct? Acha. Then so total note how much you get? 25. Total note is 25 means x plus y is equal to
25.
25. Here we get one equation. Yes na? Acha. Now value is given 2000 rupees. Total value is how much? 2000.
2000.
So what is the value of x note? Like you have the 5 rupees 1 note, or leave 5 rupees 3 note. You have 5 rupees 3 note. How much rupees you have?
50.
15. Getting na? So if I have x rupees 1 note, 50 rupees X note, so value is 50 into X, 50X.
Sir.
Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Again, 5 rupees 3 note. How much rupees you have? 5 into 3. How much rupees you have?
15.
5 into 3.
Correct na? So 50 rupees X note. So what is the value of the note? 50 into X.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So value of rupees 50 notes is equal to 50X. Yes na? And value of rupees 100 notes, how much? 100X. Yes or no? And this one sum is given 100Y, right?
Yes, sir.
50X plus 100Y is given 2000. This become equation 2. Yes or no?
Sir, sir.
Chalo, next. So
Okay.
in this one you can take common something, or all are multiple of 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? But leave y to take. Right? From 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 25. 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Yes or no? Or yes or no? Next. So which one you try to cancel? X or y? Which one you will try to cancel? X or y?
X.
You try to cancel which is having with 0 0, more 0. Multiplication will be more easy in this. So this one multiply by 100. Multiply by, so 100x plus 100y is equal to 2500. Yes or no? Now second one, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Right now? Minus 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 cancel. 50x is equal to 500. 50x is equal to, so x is equal to, x is equal to, if this one you don't, then you should go and die.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You all should go and die only, no other. This is only better option. So x is equal to
10.
10. If x is equal to 10, put here 10. Put here 10. Y is equal to how much? If x is equal to 10, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to,
15.
after writing and speaking, what is the profit, man? So 50 rupees notes is how much? 50 rupees notes is how much?
10.
10. 100 rupees notes is how much?
15.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
95.
Question number 2, 5. 2, 5. This is the last question of this exercise, right? See, a lending library, lending means who gives?
Keeps.
Who gives? Library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day. Like you have taken one book from library, so 3 days something fixed charge is there. Either you take for 1 day or 2 day or 3 day, you have to pay something rupees. But after 3 days, some other charge is there. Getting? For every day. Acha. Sarita paid 27 for a book and kept for 7 days. Sarita have paid 27 rupees for a book and kept for 7 days. Acha. While Susi paid 21 rupees. Paid 21 rupees and kept the book for 5 days. Two things are given. One have taken for 7 days and paid 27 rupees. One have taken for 5 days and paid 21 rupees. Find the fixed charge and the extra charge. Correct now? So two things are there. Assume. Let fixed charge be rupees X and extra charge how much?
Why? Wait.
Why?
Our second god, man.
Why?
Y. Correct. Acha. Now question is saying she paid 27 rupees for a book for keeping 7 days. 27 rupees. Means total is 27. Total is 27. Acha. For first, how many days they have kept?
3.
7 days.
7 days.
7 days, right now? So first 3 days, charge will be X only. How many days remain? 4.
4.
4 days remain. So 4 days into Y rupees, whatever is that, right? So plus 4y. Understood how we get?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Total days is 7. Total days is 7. In that, this is divided into two parts, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Why we divide in two parts, 3 and 4 only? Because question is given first 3 days fixed charge, first 3 days,
Fixed charge.
and next 4 days other charge. That will be calculated every day. Correct. So every day we assume rupees y.
Yes, sir.
So 4 whatever, like 1 day cost is 5 rupees. If 1 day's cost is, so 5 into 4. Yes or no? You have taken for the 5 days, 4 days. So 4 into 4 something, 4 into 5 whatever the fixed charge. So here y. So 4 into y. 4 into y. And for 3 days charge is fixed only. For 3 days charge is fixed only. Yes or no?
Sir.
Acha. Next person I have kept for 5 days. Next person I kept for means this one divided into two part, 3 and 2, because first 3 days to same only. So x plus 2y, how much? 21.
21.
How much?
21.
Now simplify. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel. 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to
3.
So if y is equal to 3, 6 become here. 3 to ja 6. So 21 minus 6. 21 minus 6 how much? 21 minus 6 how much?
10.
So rupees. Yes or no? So per day charge is how much?
10
3 rupees.
And for 3 day charge is
15.
15 rupees. Done? Understood? So this exercise also